Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making a variation of the gimlet called the Bennett. We're going to start off with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, 0.75 ounces of simple syrup, and then 2 ounces of gin. I ran out of my normal gin, so I'm having to use a London dry gin. Ooh. I know. I'm not used to that. It's not my go-to gin, people. It's fine. It's fine.
But just really smooth.
We're going to add ice to our shaker tin. We're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hands. All right, we are going to put this in a coupe glass. We are going to double strain.
I am so confused.
Why?
Just color.
Anywho's.
They look different.
Shush your bush. Anyway, for our garnish, we're going to use a lime peel. Oh my goodness.
I got you all discombobulated.
Yeah, see, stop talking.
Oh, bad.
All right, and there we have the Bennett. Oh, so pretty. All right, of course, I'm going to taste. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we land today. Overall, very citrusy smelling. Oh, very nice. Yeah, so it does taste like your classic gimlet, which is that's the base of it. But the bitters do bring out like a little bit of a spice without stomping on the citrus aspect of the classic gimlet. It just gives it just an extra little bit of depth, a little bit of body to it. I really enjoy this cocktail. Yeah, this is delicious. It is a classic cocktail from the 1930s, so I'm digging this one for sure. I'm gonna give this one. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. I think this is beautiful. The citrus is still there. You still get your gimlet feel, but with just like a hint of spice. I think this is beautiful. Very refreshing. 4 out of 5. But of course, I am not the end-all be-all. So I have the ingredients listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. And then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And then I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.